You too are probably struggling with these hardcore stains in your bathroom sink, in your bathtub, or maybe even in your kitchen sink. If that is the case, today I'm gonna show you a perfect mixture that's gonna give you an incredible result. Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Just recently I made one video on how to clean your bathroom sink using a washing detergent. And this little trick works pretty well, but it requires spending a nice amount of that washing detergent. Today we are going to make a nice little mixture from dishwashing detergent, baking soda and just a normal plain old kitchen salt. Now just mix 1 cup of dishwashing detergent, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of salt and add 1 cup of water to have a good liquid mixture. Mix everything pretty well and pour everything into a dishwashing detergent bottle. Now the trick right here is in this combination of baking soda and kitchen salt. Both of these ingredients are pretty good chemicals for grease and stain removal, but when you put this mixture on a sponge, you see all these grains of baking soda and salt mixed together. These little grains will help remove grease and hardcore stains, because while you are rubbing it, these little grains are rubbing into the grease, which is removing the grease much easier. Shiny like a new one. Nice, pretty spotless. Next time you get a burnt out pan, make sure to think of this mixture because it will make your life easier. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit that like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys for that, and I will see you in the next one.